Welcome back to another episode of A Little Bit Off Outdoors. I'm Jeremy and this is our brand new Vevor diesel heater. Just going to do a video opening it up and everything so everybody knows what you get in the box and how it's packed. And hopefully soon we'll get to fire it up. Heater. There's the duct hose. Got a little bit of a kink in it, not too bad. Clamps. Intake filter for the combustion. Muffler. Directional vent. And fire wire. This is a standalone unit, unlike our other one that we built, which has a case. And this is sold as a 5K, which everybody knows that the 8Ks, 5Ks, 2Ks are all basically the same unit. This should have the single output on the front. Seems a little loose in the case. And this should be the 5 blade, I believe it is, 5 or 6 blade controller. There she is. Hopefully we'll get enough ice to actually use it this winter. When we get a chance to fire it up, I'll make another video of it running. There's the bottom fuel line, just as the stiff fuel line on this. Intake and exhaust for the combustion. This is the return for the burnt for your heated air. This will be the return for what you actually get from your heat. And then there's your exhaust. Thanks for watching, and always please subscribe. Need those subscribers. Thanks.